All right, let's talk about it. Today, we're diving into a really simple but incredibly powerful blueprint for your financial becoming. And yeah, I use that word on purpose. This is about actively creating the future you want. No complicated jargon, no get rich quick nonsense, just a clear, straightforward path to taking back control. So let's just jump right. You know that feeling, right? That little pit in your stomach when you think about money? That feeling of just chaos? If you've ever felt that, I want you to know you are absolutely not alone. It's an overwhelming feeling, for sure. But here's the good news. There is a way through it. And it all starts with one simple decision to change. So here's our roadmap for today. This is the game plan. First, we're going to get real with radical financial awareness. Then we'll work on the inside stuff by building the better you. After that, it's time to play offense and increase your income. We'll learn the power of patience with playing the long game, and we'll wrap it all up with a final challenge to get you moving. This is the process. All right, first up, radical financial awareness. This is the bedrock. It's the foundation for everything else we're going to talk about. Because you can't fix a problem until you're willing to look it square in the eye and see it for what it really is. And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? See, facing your numbers isn't about shame. It's not about beating yourself up for past mistakes. It's about empowerment. The second you decide to look, honestly, without judging yourself, is the second those numbers lose their power over you. You take the power back.
So, what exactly are we looking at? Just these three simple truths. First, how much money is actually hitting your bank account every month? Net, not gross. Second, how much do you owe total? All of it. And third, and this one's the big one, where is every single dollar actually going? Not where you think it's going. This is your starting line. It might feel a little scary, but trust me, this is where the clarity begins.
And get this, just by doing that, just by writing down those three numbers, you have already put yourself ahead of 80% of people. That's it. Just knowing your situation is a massive, massive victory, and honestly, the biggest first step you can possibly take. Okay, so once you've looked at the numbers, where do we go from there? This brings us to step 2, build the better you. This is the internal work. See, you don't get wealthy by just chasing money. You become wealthy by becoming the kind of person who manages money well. It's a total shift in who you are. And this slide just lays it out perfectly. The old way is all reactive, right? Chasing paychecks, complaining, spending on impulse. The new way is proactive. It's about learning, about growing, and investing with a real plan. Every financial decision you make, it's a vote for the person you're becoming. So how do you make this real? How do you make it practical? You just ask yourself this one simple question every time you get paid or every time you're about to buy something. What would the best version of me do right now? You know, the version that's calm, confident, and totally in control. Just let that question be your compass. And please remember this. This journey isn't about some massive overnight transformation. It's about the small things, the tiny, consistent choices you make every single day. That coffee you skipped to invest $5 instead. The hour you spent learning a new skill instead of scrolling. Those are the things that build a new you and a new financial reality. Okay, on to step 3, and this one is a real game changer. Increase your income first. Look, saving is absolutely critical, but your ability to earn is the single biggest lever you have to totally change your financial life. Just think about it this way. You can only cut your expenses so much. You can only cut down to 0, right? That's a hard limit. But there is absolutely no limit on how much you can earn. Budgeting is playing defense, and you need a good defense. But increasing your income, that's your offense. That's how you actually win the game. So how do you actually do it? Well, here are 3 proven ways. 1, learn a high-value skill. And there are so many free resources online to do it. 2, start a little side hustle. Turn something you're passionate about into profit. Or 3, build your case at work. Walk in with confidence and ask for the raise you know you deserve. The opportunities are everywhere. And this part is so, so important. You are never going to feel 100% ready. The perfect time is a myth. It doesn't exist. The key is just to start. Even if it's messy, even if you're terrified, action is what creates confidence, not the other way around. Which leads us perfectly into our 4th principle. Play the long game. You know, in a world that's obsessed with instant gratification, this idea is our anchor. Real, lasting wealth isn't built overnight. It's a marathon, not a 100-yard dash. So let's redefine what financial freedom really is. It isn't the flashy car or the giant house. It's the quiet confidence that comes from being consistent. It's the boring discipline of investing every single month like clockwork. It's about saying no to something you want today so your future self can say yes to what they truly need.
And yeah, the process can feel slow. It can even feel a little boring sometimes. It happens behind the scenes, in spreadsheets and investment accounts, not on Instagram. But that quiet, consistent process, that is what will fundamentally change the entire path of your life.
And that brings us right here to our final section, the challenge. Because we've laid out the entire blueprint, we've walked through all the steps, but none of it means a single thing without one decision from you.
And forget about being perfect. Seriously, you are going to make mistakes. We all do. The goal is not to be flawless. The goal is simply to be committed, to start today and to just keep showing up. A week from now, a month from now, a year from now.
So, I'm going to leave you with a question to really think about tonight. If you don't start taking control of your financial life now, when will you? Tomorrow? Next year? When things finally calm down? There will always be an excuse. But there's an even more powerful question hiding behind that one. Because really, who else is going to do this for you? No one is coming to save your finances. No one is coming to build your future. This is your life. It's your future. The responsibility and all of the power is 100% in your hands.
Start today. The person that you're going to be in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, they are depending on the choices you make right now. They're counting on you. Don't let them down.